Hey J babes. So today's video we are going to be unboxing my new SD lighting kit from Amazon. I originally thought that it was ESDDI. I didn't know that people actually say SD, but I watched a couple other videos and it's definitely SD. So yeah, I'm just gonna be unboxing it for you guys, and I have it right here. I'm gonna be sorry y'all can't see it, but yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this for you guys. Just showing you guys what all it comes with, because I'm about to use it for the first time today. I'm trying to shoot a video for my blog, so I'm about to use this for the first time, but I want to unpack it with you guys and show you guys what all it comes with. So it looks like I'm seeing my backdrops when I first open it up. It comes with a black backdrop. Okay. A green screen backdrop, which I'm excited about. I'm excited about all of them, but you know, get to do some cool stuff. And it comes with a white backdrop. 3 different backdrops. I'm thinking this is my reflector. It comes with, yep. So I saw on another video how I'm supposed to open and close this, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, so I'm kind of scared to like do it. But oh, stop playing with her. Okay. And it has a gold side as well as a silver. But now, okay. He just kind of, no, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. No. Hold on. You're supposed to just like ball it up like this. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. I'm gonna just sit it to the side. Yep, this is the light bulb. Okay. This is obviously another light bulb as well. Another one as well. So that's 3 of those bulbs. And I think this may be a different size bulb. Oh no, this is my cording. Okay. Cording. Do people say cording? This is my cords. Cording, whatever. So that was 3 backdrops. My reflector. 3 light bulbs, 2 boxes for my cords, my backdrop clips to hold my backdrops in place, and I got 3 of those, it looks like. I love that each one of these comes in like a carrying case and stuff. It makes me feel like I know what I'm doing, you know, like I'm a pro. So yeah, this is definitely a soft box. Yeah. This is one of my soft boxes with the cover, the diffuser. Okay, I'm learning the terminology. I'm learning it. So this, I believe, is my backdrop stand. I'm pretty sure. I just love these carrying cases. ESDDI, SD, sorry. It just sounds so much more tech-like if I say my ESDDI lighting kit. You know, it sounds like I'm saying something more complicated, so it sounds more techy, but it's SD. Okay. All right. Anyway. So, yeah, this is definitely my backdrop stand. My, sorry. These are my, you know, it comes with different little compartments on there. So each part is in its own little space in the carrying case, and I love that. Okay. So we're gonna snap that back in place. Okay. Sit that to the side. Now these are my umbrellas, because it also comes with 2 umbrella lights. So I have 4 lights, 2 soft boxes, and 2 umbrella lights. So they gave me 4 bulbs. So 1 for each stand plus an extra. And these I'm going to assume are my umbrella stand, which I don't really understand why it's 4 of them. I only have 2 umbrella lights, but maybe that's just the parts. So I got 2 stands for the softbox and 2 stands for the umbrellas. So I got 4 stands, y'all. So yeah, that was everything that came in the kit. I'm pretty excited to use it. I want to close it. I like it though. It makes me want to frisbee. I'm gonna grow up, y'all. I'm gonna become more. Oh snap! Oh snap! Stop playing with her. Stop playing. Stop playing. Period. I. So I did that. Let me put it back up before it fly back out on me. Okay, yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I'm definitely gonna be posting my video that I construct. This is my first time shooting an actual video myself and trying to do it, you know, professionally, get with a professional look to it. So once it's complete, once it's done, I will be uploading it and showing you guys how that went. Yeah, but this was my SD lighting kit. As far as my rating for it, as far as like what came in it, I love it. I have not used it yet, but as far as the equipment, it seems really good. I love it. I'll definitely be giving y'all an update on the use of it and, you know, the ease of using it and the effects it gave to my video. So yeah, I'll definitely be updating you guys on that. But I love what it came with. The carrying cases is very convenient, professional. So, you know, travel friendly. Yeah, it's a great startup kit for photography, videography, vlogging, blogging, you know, all of that. Whatever you're trying to do and you're, you know, looking for a startup lighting kit that's going to give you professional lighting, but it's not going to cost you as much money as like a more advanced kit. This is a great start, I would say. So yeah, and I'm going to put the link in the description. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell so you can get notifications on my next video, and yeah, stay tuned. What